Cool. I have locked in. Okay. Let's get started. It's locked in the app, locked in here. Everything looks good. Voice is there, video is there. It's a day 5. Profit, everything looks good. Okay. So let's get started, guys. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash Pawar, and I'm gonna be your live stream host, aka your crypto guide, or whatever you wanna name it. Okay, because I'll be here for the next 4 hours helping you with everything related to the crypto, whether you want to learn trading, whether you want to take trade, whether you want to do anything. Because take a trade, because we are started the challenge as well. Can you see above there? There is a challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1,000. And let me just I will show you till where we are. Like right now the percentage has changed. Before it was 33.33, today it is 66.67, because I've earned a good amount of profit. Okay, I will be discussing what happened, how I earned this much money, with what trade, which trade I took, which coin I traded in, and blah 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 blah. Everything I will be discussing it, but after a little while. First, let's welcome all the YouTube people. Let's welcome all the Zbit people. Let's welcome all the Twitter people who are joining this live stream. Thank you so much, all the people who are joining this. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this live stream. Welcome, user 872097. 8720 Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, so as we all know what we do over here, most of the people know it, but there are always a chance that there is a new user coming on this live stream who doesn't know what we do over here, who doesn't know about the Zbit platform, who doesn't know about what we are doing over here. So everything, let's discuss first that thing, so that everybody will be getting an understanding of what this platform is about, how it works, and what do we do on live stream, and how you can take advantage of this live stream. Everything we'll be discussing. First, let's introduce a Zbit to all of the people, because I really feel like there is still a lot of people who has not who has not yet got introduced with the Zbit. So I would love for all those people to get introduced with the Zbit first. For my YouTube people and the Twitter people, welcome user 321474. Welcome user 285039. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. There is one trade we should be taking right now, but I'm waiting because anyway we cannot trade in Bitcoin. We don't have 83 USDT. Once we have 83 USDT, we will start trading in BTC, but right now we don't have. Right now, according to the market, what we can see, there are captions. There is a caption I can see. Caption, who is writing caption writing caption. Nice. Okay, let it be. I'm not liking that caption, but fine. Even if it's there, fine. So as I was discussing to all of people, the Bitcoin has boomed. Bitcoin has boomed with a lot of good investment. People have invested a good, and the last it fall was where? Last it fall was last it came down to, we can say, is 80. 80 was the last point where the Bitcoin came, and from there we are now seeing a little growth of it. Okay, it's not a very big growth, but yes, a little growth of it. There are still chances, there is still option that it may fall down. There is still chances that the Bitcoin can go. Ethereum reached 3000, Solana reached 140. Okay, XRP reached 2.2, 530. This SPK. Okay, not that much, but still I'm impressed with Ethereum, because Ethereum touched 2000, no, sorry, 3000. Solana touched almost from 122 to 140. $20 profit. We could have earned a lot of good if you would have, like I told you this one thing, that there is still chance. I'm not denying this fact. There is still chance of market to fall. Okay, you don't have to think in this way like market will go on an uptrend. Now it is going to go above 100, about 120, about 30. No, there are still chances that the market can fall down as well. So I would suggest a lot of people that do not go for a spot. Do not go for spot trading right now at this point, because you might lose a lot of money in the spot. Like investment might go loss. If you have bought it over here, then it's fine. If you have bought it over here, then it's fine, it's cool. But if you are buying at this point thinking that it will go to 160, 130, 140, whatever it is, the last time it reached was 200, at that point I won't suggest you to go for a spot trading. For future trading, please do go for it, because in future trading you might not have a loss, but in a spot trading you might get lost. Like what if the market falls the next moment? You can never know. You can never know when the market falls, when the market will go up or something like that. Okay, it's all depend on the whales. People, I have told you already this thing, that as a beginner who is getting introduced to the crypto world, who is getting started to doing a trading in the crypto platform and all those things, you should be knowing this one very specific thing, that this crypto market is manipulated, heavily manipulated market. Heavily manipulated, not in the sense like they try to trick us or something, but in the way that their money makes the market jump or fall according to them. Okay, it's not for the us, it's not for welcome user 905469, welcome user 331664. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I'm just telling you all those things, like, because you should be knowing what, who gives a movement in the crypto market. You should be knowing for those things, so that you can take a trade with those people. See, now, as you all people know, that the crypto market is one of that market where government doesn't have any say, the government doesn't have any rule, government doesn't have any power. The power relies on the people who has huge amount of money. And money, the amount of money you flow into market is that amount of money where you can earn a lot of good amount, like we can see a lot of good amount of movement. If you drop in hundreds and 100, 200, 500, 1 billions kind of money into the market, the market is going to move according to you. The market is going to dance on your figure, and that's what happens in the crypto market, where there is no government say, where there is no bank say, where there is nothing. The only thing which is ruling the whole crypto market is the people who is having a huge amount of money, huge amount of assets for the cryptocurrency. Like for example, those whales who has like tons of, like, maybe more than 50,000, maybe more than 80,000 bitcoins they are having. If they do one liquidity, if they want to liquidate their half the capital, or maybe full the capital, or maybe 10%, 20% the capital, they have the power to drop down the market in a very instant, because they are holding this huge amount of BTC. If they decide to go for sell, if they, like for example, if there is a person who is having 80,000 BTC, even if we decide to sell 5,000 BTC, we will be seeing a very huge drop in the market because of that one person. That's why the crypto market, which is not governed by the government or anything, those market is always governed by one thing, that is money. Money is a power in the crypto market, and that's what we should be focusing on. Why I'm telling you this? Because whenever we take a trade, whenever we are taking a trade, whenever we are looking for a profit or looking to gather profit from the market, those are the people we should be looking for. Those are the zones we should be finding for. We should be finding the zones where the whales enter in the market, even for the liquidating themselves, creating supply zones, or the new people like new investors who is investing in the very heavy, in very heavy movement, like in a very um, heavy quantity, hundreds and millions of billions of dollars they're investing. We should be going because they will create some demand zones in the market, which will help us in understanding what we can see in the market, what movement we should have to capture. Now this was, this zone was made by me by like very previous, like maybe 3 to 4 weeks ago. Can you see from that exact place again the markets had to fall down? Now that's why we make zone. This is the reason why we make zone. Now I made this fair value gap. One side it was, it didn't take the fair value gap, but can you see other point again it came down. It took this fair value gap, and from there a very huge investment came which dropped down to our exact the previous supply zone. That's why making zones in the market is very important, and these zones are nothing but those zones where people, the rich people are entering in the market. Okay, these are, this demand zone makes like where a lot of good new investor with a huge money is entering the market, and supply zone is that's a zone where a lot of big people are liquidating themselves. Hi, hello, hello user 331664, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream, and really appreciate coming down over here. Welcome user 999845. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. See, if you have any doubt related to anything, please feel free to ask on the comment section that you are not understanding this, that, blah, blah. You don't know how to plot the zones in the market. I will teach you how to plot the zones in the market. You don't know how to find the entries. I can help you with that. And also, if you haven't, if you want to be a part of the challenge where I am doing a live trading and turning that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT, please feel free to be a part of it. Deposit $10, 10 USDT, and get a chance to win $1000 worth of profit just by trading with me. Just a second. Charging is started. Okay. So, like I was discussing with all of people that we are required to know the zones in the market. We are required to know such kind of zones where the market will give us a very huge movement, and these zones are nothing but those people, the big people, the corporate people, the corporate institution people who are pouring a very huge amount of money into the crypto market. Very huge money. It's not a very small money, but very huge money they are pouring into the crypto market, and we should be looking at those market, and we should be looking at those one of those market. Welcome user 329113, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome. So as I was discussing to you all people, like zones in the market are very easy to find. Okay, they are not hard, they are not something like they're hidden or something. It's just there which you need to find out, and very easily I will be teaching you something today which will make you understand the difference between us, the retailers, and the big players, so that you can understand when and who is entering in the market. Because just by looking at the candle you can actually analyze that which candle is being formed by which person? For example, like I will give you one example. Okay, let's understand a little psychology of the candles first. Okay, I'll be discussing everything. Like I'll be also telling you about the new Zbits reward and every of those things. But before that, let me explain the Zbit rewards first. So then we can continue the live stream topics and every of those things. First of all, let's continue with the Zbit. So for everybody, for those people who don't know regarding Zbit, what is Zbit is, where the Zbit came from, and every of those things. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform in which you can take that walk in the bridge, and Zbit is a bridge basically. Okay, you can take the walk on this bridge and you can enter on the other side to the crypto world. It's a medium. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which offers you to be a part of the crypto trading, do a crypto trading, earn a huge amount of profit, and gain a passive source of income which will help you achieve a financial freedom. Financial freedom is very, very, very important in this day-to-day life, but what the life we are looking at right now, all those places where everything is getting so much expensive and inflation rate is rising, in this we have to protect ourselves from getting vanished or having a lot of stress in the financial way. So we have to protect ourselves from getting. Welcome user 878345. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay. So financial freedom is required for us to achieve the past, like financial freedom is for required for us to achieve the goals in what we have thought about. Like I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. To be free from that, to break that chain of whatever corporate jobs you are doing and everything. See, I'm not denying like you don't have to do those corporate jobs. Okay, you have to do it, but at the same end there is an option which is effortless. You don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to be anywhere. You can be wherever you want, and you just need one internet connectivity or a phone and a Mac or a laptop or phone. That's all you need to start your passive source of income. Passive source of income is very important for like up to like day to day life, what is going on, where the money inflation rate is rising, every price is rising, everything, or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to buy, you are not getting those peace in which you are thinking like you are always getting stuck in this one situation that I want to have the generational wealth, I want to have the generational wealth, I want to have the generational wealth. Now this is the start of earning that generational wealth. You can actually start crypto trading and make a generational wealth, which a lot of people are making. Who is denying this fact that people are not making generational wealth by just being a part of crypto trading? By doing the crypto trading for so long time, people are doing the generational wealth, people are achieving the generational wealth. Okay, and we are seeing those people like making mansions and lot of those things. Like you can't even believe what amount of money a whales are having. The time they invested so huge amount in the back period of a time when crypto was just $2, $3, $5. At this point when crypto said, even if crypto drops at 80K, for them it doesn't matter at all, because they bought it at $4, $10, $20, or maybe 100 or 10 or maybe 1,000. They are having a huge amount of profit because they invested in a very right period of a time. But still, I'm not denying this fact that there are still so many. It's not just Bitcoin, it's not just Ethereum, it's not just Solana, it's not just XRP. There are still so many other coins which is there in the market which can give you huge amount of profit, exactly the same like BTC and Ethereum and something. But you have to give a time, you have to nurture your time. It has to, like, you have to plant that, so you have to nurture it, you have to wait for it, and then it will grow, it will give you the fruit for definitely sure. But you have to first start trading into the crypto, first start gathering the capital in the crypto. And it is very, very easy in by using the future trading, which I will be discussing a little later. But for those people who doesn't even know about Zbit, let me tell you this one thing: Zbit offers a lot of new user rewards for their new users. Whenever a new person comes in this live stream, whenever this new person comes and downloads this Zbit app, it's not just one, five to six to seven to eight things which you are receiving. There are so many things, so many rewards, and that too unbelievable rewards. For let me be very clear with this: there are so many unbelievable rewards which you receive in the market. Rewards like free cryptocurrencies, rewards like free investment for taking the free trade, There are so many huge reward which you receive in the market. And plus that, you also can earn with the referral links, by doing the referrals of the zipit. You can also earn. There are so many features. One of this is live stream, other one is an AI con bot, which I'll be discussing everything in a detail. Okay, so let's start with the first reward, which is a free cryptocurrency. I know it sounds very fake, or it sounds lie, or it sounds like, that's not going to happen, but actually that's not the fact. It is true that yes, earning cryptocurrency without even taking a first trade, without even doing a first deposit, without even doing anything, you still have a chance to earn not just a small amount. Don't consider like you will be just receiving a small amount, but this lucky spin in which you will be getting like almost 7 to 8 coins. You have to, like, there will be lucky spin of 7 to 8 coins, and from there it will land on one. Okay, after it land on one, you will be receiving that XYZ cryptocurrency. And do you know which currency you will be having a part of? Which currency you will be trading of? Which currency you will be having for your entry point, for have as a reward? It can be a stable coin, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. It can be an altcoin, which is Solana XRP, or it can be a meme. Okay. Generally, yes, generally people will get meme coin, because meme coins are like, meme coin, generally people will get meme coin. But algorithm is said that if you are in one in that 500, then you might receive BTC, Ethereum, and so not, and so not, and so not. Okay, so but for that you need to do just one simple thing, just one simple thing for receiving maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. If you are the lucky person, you may receive the Bitcoin, you may receive Ethereum as well. Welcome user 186725. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. So for receiving the free cryptocurrency, the only thing you need to do is create an account in CPIT. That's all. That's all. And that is also completely free of cost. You just have to put your country code over here. Then you just have to put your email address, password, and sign up. And that's all. That's all you need to be a part of crypto journey, to start your crypto journey, to be a part of crypto trading. That's all you need, is to one, three clicks, three information: country code, email address, password, and sign up. That's all you will be needing to open an account, to start your crypto journey and start earning a very huge amount of profit from the crypto market. Same like those are the people who you see on the reels, who you see on the social media, you see on a lot of different platforms, who are earning in a very huge amount. Okay, now other thing, once you do that, you will be receiving this. Can you see? Worth over, one second, worth over $1,200. Get your first crypto asset at zibit.com. And it is true, you will receive the same lucky spin in which you will be getting one coin. XYZ, I did 100% win. There is no such thing like maybe you receive, maybe you don't receive. No, there is no such things. You will 101%, maybe 2000%, you will be receiving one cryptocurrency from us. It may be stable coin, it may be altcoin, it may be meme coin. Generally, people get meme coin, no fact about it. There is no lying about it. It's a fact that generally people will receive meme coin, but 1 in 500, 10 in 500 will receive Bitcoin. 1 in 500 will receive Bitcoin, Ethereum. 10 in 500 will receive Solana and XRP. Okay, got it? Cool. So this is the first reward, and first reward itself is such a banger reward because you are receiving cryptocurrency, the most valuable currency at right now point. Any of your traditional currency, any of those, even if you go for dollar, yen, yuan, ruble, every of those coins are nothing compared to the Bitcoin, nothing compared to the cryptocurrency at right now stage. A whole world is having an eye on the cryptocurrency. Whole world is having an eye on the Bitcoin. Whole world is having eye on the cryptocurrency. They are trying to invest in the crypto market because they know this is one of that most profitable market compared to your stock. And that's a fact. Again, that's a fact that compared to your stock, compared to your indices, compared to your commodities, every of those currency, whichever crypto market you choose, whichever, sorry, not crypto, whichever trading market you pick, compared to those, crypto market is one of the most profitable crypto trading market at this point. Okay, now in this crypto market, first of all, it's the most profitable. Second, you receive the free cryptocurrency from the Zibita. Second thing, what is the second reward which you'll be receiving? Second reward is try future trading, limited time free. See, why we are doing just future trading, why not spot trading? Because see, spot, you know what to do. You have been doing spot trading since so long time. You just go to one random shop, you give him money, he gives you product, and you are the owner of that product. That is simply and simplest understanding of spot trading. There is no coin or Solana. Let's talk about Solana. Even if you go today to buy Solana, you have to pay 137 USDT, 137 USDT for one coin. And trust me, the best way of earning a very good amount of profit in cryptocurrency is not in investment, but is in the quantity. The more quantity you buy, the more profit you get. Buying one Solana is not going to give you a very huge amount of profit. It might give you very just dollars amount of profit from the spot market. Okay, very just few dollars. Like for example, right now if I buy Solana 39, it goes to 42. How much dollar profit I'm getting? $12 profit. That's all profit I'm getting. This $12 profit. It's not a huge amount of profit. The profit comes when you're increasing your quantity. For example, you're buying, let's say you're buying almost 20, 30, 50, 100, 200 kind of coins of Solana or any other cryptocurrency, then selling in the high price, then you get a massive amount of profit. Then and then only, not before that. Only at that moment you will be receiving such a huge amount of profit, not before that. Okay, now, so then if spot is not for us, because see, I get it, most of the retailers, they don't have a very good amount of investment. Most of the retailers, they don't have money. Most of the retailers, they are still stuck with like, I don't have capital, afraid of putting a capital, they don't have courage to lose the money. And I get it, it is totally fine even if you don't have a courage to lose money. And that is actually a good thing, that it shows that you value money. But if you just keep your money sit at one place, then that money is not going to earn more money. That money is not going to earn. Welcome user 219894, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Like I was telling you people, valuing money is good, but keeping it at one place forever is not valuing the money. It is actually a depreciating the money, the value of the currency. If you invest in somewhere, then you get a very huge amount of profit with it. You have to understand, money only makes money by investing, not by staying at one place. If you want to something to stay at one place, then you need to buy something like gold, silver, or some other elements which is very money, such huge amount of profit that they are building their villa, their mansions, they're having such great supercars and blah 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 thing. Because they have found the hack inside it. Crypto future market is kind of like a hack. To be very fair, to be very honest, it's a hack. For that, you need to understand how that hack works. Okay, so in future trading, what future trading means basically is that you are not investing in the coins over here. You are not buying or you're not selling any cryptocurrency by doing the future trading. Then what do you do in the future trading? If you're not selling it, if you're not buying it, then what are we doing in the future trading? The thing we do in the future trading is we try to make it, we try to play a game in future trading. We try to play a game as in, like in the cryptocurrency, we decide whether the price can go up or fall down. It's basically one of those games where we are just looking at something and we are saying it will jump or it will fall. It will jump or it will fall. That's all. That's all is a future trading, that you're just predicting the price, whether the price can go up from this point or whether the price can go down from that point. In this way, how you are still confused in a way, like how it is a hack, from where you are getting like this is a hack, or this is something like you don't know about or something like that. Like I still get confused like about what is a hack thing in it. It's a very simple thing. You are playing a game, but that game has one hack, and that hack is not with me, not with you, but with the rich people, how they are having this hack and how we are not having this hack. Now, for example, these rich people, they have two options. For us, we have one option. That's why we don't have the hack and they have the hack. But we can identify that hack. Okay. How this hack works? For example, if I am a rich people, for example, just consider me that I am a BlackRock CEO. For just an one small example, just consider that I am a BlackRock CEO. Okay. Or I am a whale. First, let's take example of BlackRock CEO. Okay. At this point, when I know that tomorrow BlackRock CEO, who is me at this point, is going to invest, let's say, 500 millions or no. Let's say, yeah, minimum he would invest 500 million. 500 or 800. Let's talk about 500 million. For example, we are discussing. Okay, let's say that me, BlackRock CEO, is going to invest a 500 millions in a BTC tomorrow. Right? Got it? Cool. So by the end of the day, I will do what? And I'm going to invest in obviously in the spot. I'm not going to invest in the future because future is not buying or selling. I want to, like a BlackRock CEO who invest in the BTC, they invest for the spot market. They don't invest for the future market. And that's where we are wrong. In the spot, they have two options. Like I said, we have one option. Why? Because our money is not big enough for the spot trading. Our money is very small for spot trading. Okay, the retailers cannot make a very huge amount of profit just by putting their value inside the market. Okay, like for example, our 10 USDT, 20, 30, 40, max 10,000 is not gonna change any movement in the market, not gonna change any, not even a single movement inside the market. Okay, now understand this one thing, that we have one option, like we can make a huge amount of capital by doing the future trading. Okay, that is one option for us, that if we do a future trading, we can earn a very good amount of profit. But for the rich people, they have two options. Like for example, that's why I said, like BlackRock CEO, I'm BlackRock CEO. Tomorrow I'm going to invest 500 million into the spot market. Now what is going to happen? If I know tomorrow is gonna I am going to invest 500 million, and I know 500 million is a huge amount for the cryptocurrency, for any cryptocurrency. Doesn't matter if it's a Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, or any small coins, or the biggest coin like BTC. It doesn't matter at all. Okay, 500 million is a very huge amount, very huge amount. Okay, now in this moment, understand, buy, like this is tomorrow, but I am at today right now. Okay, in today, at the last hours, I will check out the market, like which is the market which is having, like what the market is giving a movement, how, what kind of market structure is going on, if it's falling, if it's going up, whatever it is. Okay, or it is just sideways. I will pick the most cheapest value to enter in the market for future trading. I am a BlackRock CEO. Okay. Now I, the BlackRock CEO, entered in the future market a day before at the most cheapest price. For what? For prediction of the market can go up, for taking a long trade, basically. Okay. I took a long trade. Yeah. I took a long trade at the most cheapest price a day before. My entry is done. Okay. Now tomorrow I woke up. I, in the morning or in the evening or the afternoon, I woke up and I decided to take entry. Entry where? I decided to take entry in like BTC because I wanted to invest 500 million in the 500 million investment in the BTC. I woke up tomorrow. I did a spot trade of 500 million. Now I know this one thing for sure, that 500 million investment is not a small investment. It is gonna pump the market a lot. So can you see, that guy took the most cheapest price investment in the future market, just predicting that the price can go up a day before, and tomorrow he came and he invested 500 millions inside it. So he's earning in a both side. With the profit, with the spot, he's earning profit, that he bought it cheaper, and from there the market is going to pump, he's having that profit. And also the future, because he is the one who is decided, who is in that zone, like I know I know for very fact that tomorrow a market is gonna pump because I am the one who is investing. So can you see they invest from both of the side? In here they know for definitely sure the market is gonna pump, and that's why they are 100% earning the profit in the future trading because the prediction is gonna go right because they are the one who is pumping the market. That's the hack of those people. That in the future trading they earn a lot because they know that I am the one who is gonna do it. I am the one who is gonna make a huge investment in the market. I know tomorrow the market is gonna pump because of me and me only. So if I know already if the market is gonna pump, I can take a very huge investment in the future trading as well. That I can open a very big trade, and that big trade is gonna give me a big amount of profit. Can you see the hack of them? Like they are investing from both sides, from the future as well, because they know what is going to be in the future, because they are the one controlling the present at this moment. It's a hack for them, and same goes for the supply as well. Don't just think that it is just for long thing. They have the same thing for the liquidation as well, like for the market fall down as well, they do the same thing. Now for example, again, the BlackRock CEO, or I am a big whale, like I'm a whale who is having, let's say, 80,000, 1 lakh kind of BTC in my account. I know this for a fact that tomorrow I have already decided. I had this meeting with my people, I had this meeting with my CA people, everything. I had like whole financial team. Now we had decided that tomorrow we are gonna sell 10,000 BTC in the market. We are gonna liquidate it. Who knows? I know. My team knows. That's all. Now, what is going to happen is tomorrow I'm going to do it. Today, what I will do, today I will find the market at the most highest peak point. Again, I am the whale. I'm talking about the hack. I'm not Yash right now. I'm the whale. In this point, I am going to find the most highest peak point investment into the like whatever coin. Like for example, let's say BTC only. I'm going to liquidate 10,000 BTC tomorrow, a day before, or day, or just a moment before me putting my investment inside the Bitcoin, like before liquidating 10,000 BTC, just time before. If I find the most highest peak, from there where the market is gonna fall down. Okay, highest peak, like highest value of BTC at that one moment. Okay, from that one point, if I decide that okay, this is the point where I'm gonna do it, this is the point where I'm gonna start this is the point where I'm gonna enter in the future for predicting the price is gonna fall down, basically. Understood? This is the point, highest point I will find out, and the next day I'll wake up and I'll liquidate 10,000 BTC. Now I know I am the one who is gonna make the market fall down. I am that one person who is gonna liquidate 10,000 BTC tomorrow. So I know for definitely sure that this future trading is gonna work the best for me. I will make a huge investment in the future trading, and from there I can make the market fall down because I am the one who is making the market fall down. So am I earning in one way or two way? One, I'm liquidating the 10,000, I'm earning profit with it. Plus, I'm also taking a future trade over here because I know for sure that it is gonna get liquidated for down because I am the one who is liquidating it. This is the hack of those people, and this is the hack of how a future trading is the one of the most profitable trade compared to option, spot, and there are three trades: option, spot, and future. Compared to all those three, future is the most profitable one. If you know, if you understand how the whales will move, where the whales will move, how they are gonna make a movement, and every of those things. In that one scenario, you are the most profitable person in the compared to all formats of the trading. All, even in the crypto spot, there is one thing which is making you earn the most profit is the future market, is the future trading, which gives you the most huge amount of profit. Welcome user 33664. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Do you have any question for me? Do you want anything to ask? User 331664, do you have anything you want to ask? Do you have anything you want to say? I will reply to you. I will make you understand something. If you, how is, how is it, how is it, what is, how is it, how is good? How is market going on, or how is all thing going on? What you want to understand? You have any doubt, any question to ask to me? Please tell me. I will be glad to help you out over here. Yes, because I started yesterday. I want to know about it. You want to know about Zbit? I will explain you about all the Zbit profits, all the Zbit rewards which you should be gathering. Okay. First reward, I guess you might have got it already. That is the free cryptocurrency you get from the lucky spin. Okay. I have to, this is worth over $1,200, but generally people get meme coin. I get it. One in the 500 might get BTC. If you were that lucky person, you might got that BTC or Ethereum from that thing, and that is a spot coin. Okay, it is not something like it will go away from you. You are the owner of that currency, of that whatever quantity of meme coin you are receiving. You are the owner of that. Okay, you will be having that huge amount of, like, whenever you want to hold it, to hold it for a huge amount of profit. You want to trade it, sell it, that's up to you for that. Okay, and next reward which you get is, like I was explaining this only, that you get a free future trade. Okay, we give you investment of 20 USDT. Your account will be credited with 20 USDT of investment. Okay, and with that 20 USDT you can take the first free trade in the future trading at Zibit.com. How that trading will work, what you have to do, what you need to do to gain profit and everything. Okay, see, future trading is a very new concept for a lot of people. They don't understand what future trading is. The most simplest example of future trading is that you play a game, you gamble in future trading. You are not buying or you are not selling any of this cryptocurrency. Okay, what we do is, in the future trading, we just predict the price can go up or the price can fall down. That's all we do. We just think if the market can go up or go down. We don't invest, we don't buy. When you put your money into the future market, that doesn't mean that you are owning that BTC or owning that whatever coin you're trading in. You are just predicting that I think that market can go up. That is what we are doing in future trading. Okay, and that's how we earn money. We can take two trades in it. One, if you think that market can go up, take a long trade. Whenever market goes up, you are earning profit. Second thing is short trade. You think that market is going to fall down, and whenever the market falls down, you are earning money. In the future trading, we earn from the both of the side, and that's what you receive. Okay, now I made you concept clear of the future trading. Now how this reward is going to work, let me explain you that. Once you receive that 20 USD bonus, in the app you will be having an option like take a trade in BTC or Ethereum. It will give you two options. Either you want to, how can I start, please? Okay, I will be explaining you 999437. Please have a patience. Let me explain you to 331664. Then I'll come to you. Okay, so understand this. Once you start your 20, once you get created with the 20 USDT, in the app, one pop-up will come of either you want to take a trade of BTC or Ethereum. The option will be buy and sell, because we don't want to make you confused with the option of long and short. In the future trading, we usually say long or short, we don't say buy and sell. But not to make you confused, that's why the app will say buy or sell. Okay, in that you will receive first two options, either one is BTC or one is Ethereum. You have to pick in what you want to trade. Either you want to trade in BTC or you want to trade in Ethereum. You pick that thing first. Once you picked that thing, that whatever, either I want to pick this or that, then it will give you a small chart, a very small chart you will see, and in bottom there will be showing you want to buy or you want to sell. That's all. If you want to see a bigger chart, go to some other platform like trading view. Look at the chart, look at the things like what can happen in the market, what kind of movement we can expect, and every of those things. Once you saw that thing, once you saw that movement, like what kind of movement it will be there, what kind of movement will we have in the market. Once you saw that thing, after that you can take. Buy means you are predicting that the market price will go up. Sell means that you are predicting that the market price will fall down. You click on that, And once you click on that, you are entered in the market. Your trade is active at that moment. Your trade is active as in your trade will be carried on for next 1 hour. It is not forever trade, it is just for 1 hour. Okay, you don't have to deposit anything before that, because if you deposit before that, then you might not able to receive that 20 USDT, because if you deposit before that, that 20 USDT will be gone. So even before investing, deposit anything, we are giving you our investment of 20 USD to take a trade. So that even without your own money, you are having that profit, you are having that experience of gaining the first free trade. Okay. Now, after this, what is there? After this, once you took the trade, your trade is active. Now you will be start seeing PNL, profit and loss. If it's green, that is profit. If it's red, that is loss. If you are earning profit, okay, your prediction went right. Your prediction is saying that yes, the market, you predicted the market is going to go up, and market is also pumping up very good. In that scenario, what is going to happen is, in that scenario, you are earning a good amount of profit. Whatever XYZ amount of profit you will be earning, if you are satisfied before 1 hour, then you can close your trade with it. You have manual option as well, that you can close your trade. But if you don't close the trade, then automatically that trade is gonna get closed in 1 hour. Okay, that is the limit. The countdown will start with 1 hour. Once you start taking a trade, calculate 1 hour, because once the 1 hour is hit, the trade will stop. Okay, with whatever profit or whatever loss, that it is going to stop. But you have an option to close it before as well. Okay, I'm not denying this, that you don't have option. You have an option to close it before that as well. Okay, once you close it, whatever profit you are earning from it, that is completely your profit. It's not my profit, even though I give you the investment of 20 USDT, but I don't need anything from you. Okay, I'll be just taking that 20 USDT back, and whatever profit you will be having, it is completely yours. Maybe it be 5, maybe it be 10, 20, 30, $40, whatever profit it is, it will be completely yours, which you can withdraw as well. But you cannot withdraw that 20 USDT bonus. That is not your money, which you cannot withdraw. Okay, you can only withdraw. Welcome user 606331. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, so you cannot withdraw that 20 USDT bonus, but you can withdraw the profit which you are earning, and that is completely your profit. So can you see such a great reward, that even before taking a trade, even before investing, even before doing a deposit, you still can earn a good amount of profit with Zbit by gaining a free experience side by side. That you don't understand future trading, in this way you can start take a trade, a free trade in the future trading, gain experience, understand how it is, and also earn profit side by side. Got it? Cool. But what if you have a loss? There is loss situation as well. Okay, there is no such thing like you will be having profit only. If your prediction goes wrong, then you are having loss as well. What kind of loss you will be having, and where do you have to pay for that loss? See, maximum you can have a loss of 20 USDT, because that is the investment. I gave you free investment of 20 USDT. Maximum loss you are gonna have is of that 20 USDT. Once that 20 USDT is gone, the trade will be closed, and nobody is gonna ask you that money back. If you have a loss, any kind of loss, complete 20 gone, 10 gone, 5 gone, 1 gone, 3 gone, doesn't matter at all. Does not matter at all, because you are not responsible for that loss. You don't have to pay anything for that loss. Okay, we will be taking care of that loss. We will be having that loss, and we will be repaying it. Okay, it's our investment. Even if it's gone, that is completely fine by us, because our main goal was to give you the first free experience which we provided. Okay, in that experience, if you face loss, that don't take it as a bad thing, that I had a loss in the first trade itself, it's a bad luck or something. No, whenever a person falls, that is always gives them an option to rise back again, learn from the mistake and rise back again. That's what you have to do once you lose the money. That's all. At least it's a win-win situation. Even if you win a profit, that's a good situation. You won the profit with experience. And even if you lose the money, then at that point as well, what you are doing is you are just gaining an experience. Okay, which is not a bad thing. Gaining experience is a very good amount of thing. Welcome user 353445. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome user 827643. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay. Now, this is the second reward. But do not, there are some do's and some don'ts which commonly people do. That's why I'm not telling you this. See, once you receive that 20 USDT in your account, you will be visible. Okay. After that, don't smartly think that you can deposit more 10 and make it 30 and I can take a bigger trade. There is no such thing is going to happen of taking a bigger trade of 30 USDT. Okay. So if there is only be 20 USDT of a free trade if you deposit anything above it. $5, $10, 20, anything you deposit, it is gonna result in that 20 USDT will be gone. Whatever you have deposit will be only shown over there. Okay. After that, after once the trade is closed, you have earned a profit, your trade is closed. Okay. In that moment, that for example 20 was the investment, $5 is your profit. Okay, in the account it won't be showing 25 USDT profit. Okay, because generally it shows, technically it should show like that, investment plus profit into the balance, but that 20 was not your money, it was our money, so we will take it back. The profit will be shown. Do not question like where my 20 USD go, I don't have my 20 USDT or something like that. Do not question that, because that was not your money, so it was our money, we took it back. Simple. After this thing, okay, after, another don't is yeah, that's all the do's and don'ts are there. Okay, this is the end of the second reward which you receive. First reward you got is free cryptocurrency. Second reward is got is free investment and free experience of taking a trade. Okay, that is what you are getting from the market. Now, third thing, what is a third reward? Third reward is a referral commission. Yes, by just inviting people on the Zbit app, you can earn a huge amount of investment. Huge amount of investment by just referring to a people, by inviting them into the crypto market at the zbit.com basically. Okay, by giving them option to enter in the crypto market via zbit.com, you can earn a very huge amount of profit from that. And what kind of profit you can earn? Okay, let me show you that thing. This is referral commission. Okay, so everybody, when you create your account, everybody has I will show you where is it. Okay, so let me show you in the app, referral. Okay, see, when you come inside the app, can you see in the blog there is something written as a referral? Okay, 1 second. See, it is, this is the thing, I think it's a blur, or you can see, you cannot see, I don't know, but yeah, this is that option. Okay, this is that guy, and this is that option called referral. Once you click on that referral, you have, can you see your invite code? This is your invite code. Okay, this invite code, either you can have invitation link, this is invitation link, or either you can have is invitation code, this is that code which you can have, or this is the invite link which you can have. Okay, once you do that, once you either tell them to put your invite code, I told you where to find it. This is a place where you can find your invite code. Okay, from the home page, this is the home page of the Zbit. At the Zbit homepage, you can see this bar. In the last corner, you can see there is a referral. Click on that referral. You will see that refer by earning. One is invite by link, and another one is the code. Okay, there are two options. Code, you have to put it over here. Can you see invitation code over here? Once you share to that person, your family, your friend, colleague, whoever it is, once you share it to that person, create an account, country, email, password, and this is the place. Okay, invitation code. That invitation code, that person who you are inviting has to put here. the invitation code he has to put over here. Got it? Once you put over here, then you will be having a commission on it. Now, how much commission? First, I told you this thing that invitation code is the most important thing. Okay. My invite code is what? EZTVE. Okay, this is my invite code. EZTVE. This is my invite code. Okay. Now, once that person gives this invite code, there is four levels, level 2, level 3, level 4. There are four levels in which you can earn the commission. There are slabs up to 50% of commission you can earn just without even taking investment, without even referring to without even putting and deposit anything. You still can achieve this thing just by referring to lot people. Okay. So level 1 is if you invite 1 to 4 people on the app of the zbit.com, you earn 20% of commission from it. If you invite, let's say 5 to 9 people on the Zbit app via your invite code or invite link, both are very important. Okay, you earn 30% of commission from the Zbit. Level 3, if you invite 10 to 29 people, you get 40% of commission. And the last level, if you invite 30 or more, whatever it is now, okay, whatever it is now, 30 or more, it can be 40, 50, 100, 2000, 5000, 1 lakh people. If you invite, you are still gonna get 50% of commission. Got it? Either it is from 30 plus is just 50%, whatever is above it. 30, 40, 50, 100, 200 doesn't matter at all. You will be receiving 50% of commission on that thing. 50% of commission. Okay. Level 1 is 1 to 4, 20%. Level 2 is 5 to 9, 30%. Level 3 is 10 to 29, 40%. And 30 plus will be giving you 50% of commission. This is such a great option for all of you people to earn a side-by-side money, not even by doing trading, not even taking a risk of putting your investment in the market, just by referring your friend, your colleague, or anybody else who is there. By just referring to those people, you can earn a very huge amount of money from the market. Very simple, very easy, very smooth. Just you have to put, there are some terms and conditions. Let me explain you terms and condition. Okay, T and C. Terms and condition is very simple. First is invite code. Invite code should be here, or the invite link should be here. See, better is invite code because sometimes maybe invite link might not work. Okay, so better is invite code is the best. Just paste it over here. It's not going to require you much amount of time. Just copy and paste, and that's all. And then next come is second is first deposit. Now, whosoever person you are inviting on this live stream, let's talk about, let's say that you invite your colleague. Now, your XYZ colleague has to deposit the first deposit. Okay, first deposit in the live stream option only. First deposit should come in the live stream option. Can you see in this live stream? I will show you that as well. Okay, if you don't know about that, where is my live stream? This is the live which is happening right now. Yeah, can you see in this live stream? This is your comment section downstairs, down, and yeah. And can you see these two options? One is trade and one is deposit. Trade, deposit. So that XYZ person of your colleague has to put that deposit from this. You have to click on this, and you can take the crypto deposit over here. You can pick your XYZ coin or whatever here, and then that person has to deposit via first deposit only. Doesn't matter whatever the deposit is. Okay, it really doesn't matter if it's $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't matter at all. The time you do deposit, first deposit, you will receive the commission. Okay, and that too from live stream. Live stream is very important. Okay, I have to write live stream little properly. Live stream. Okay, first deposit should be from the live stream and live stream only. Now talk about the third thing. Third thing is that you need that XYZ person who is downloading the app, who is via your invite code doing the first deposit. He or she or it, they, them, slash whatsoever their person is, they have to uh, take 5 trades. 5 trade is compulsory. Okay, 5 trade, it can be profitable, it can be lost, doesn't matter at all. Doesn't matter at all. Whatever trade it is, if it's a profitable trade, he's earning profit, that is also fine. Even if he's having a loss, that is also fine. Even if he's entering for 1 minute, that is also fine. For example, I entered in the market, I waited for 1 minute, I took whatsoever 0.000% of profit, I exited. It's gonna count as one trade. Okay, doesn't matter if it's 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 3 hour, 1 month, 1 week, doesn't matter. Whatever trade is, 5 trades should be complete. That's all. Once that XYZ, he slash they, them, he, whatever person, once he slash they, them person completes these 3 condition, you will be receiving either 20% if you invite 1 to 4%. You will be, maybe you will receive 30% if you invite 5 to 9, or you can receive 5 to 40% of commission if you invite 10 to 29 people, or you can receive the maximum amount, which is 50% of commission if you invite 30 or more people on this app. Okay, downloading Zbit app is the most important, and this is that place. Wait, can you see invitation code? And I showed you again. I will show you where is your referral commission thing. Okay, 1 second. This is the home page. Can you see? This is the home page. In this home page, can you see? This is that last option is a referral link. Click on that referral link. This is your referral reward thing in which you can track. See, whatsoever people will download from your this thing invite code, it will be visible over here. Okay, it will be visible at this point. Whatever people will come, it will be visible over here, and this is your code and this is your link. Okay, you have two options, but it's best to use the code. Okay, so this is the third reward which you get from this Zbit. Now all the rewards are ended. Now that I told you, but there is 5 things which we do for people, not 3. What are the rest 2 things? Rest 2 are actually features, but great feature which you can take advantage of, which you can use and earn a lot of good amount of knowledge, skills, and opportunity as well. Now, what are those 2 features? One is this live stream. This live stream is gonna, I am still here, right? Can you guys, I in here my, okay. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, it's working normal now. Okay. In here it shows there is a lot of lag happening. So that's why I stopped a little. I want to check if the lag is still happening. Okay, lag is not happening right now. Okay. Cool. So these are the third, sorry, fourth is feature, which is this live stream. This live stream provides you a guide, a crypto guide in whole of yours, like from this day one of your crypto journey till the day last, middle, or wherever you need any sort of help in your crypto journey. Whether it is I want to earn profit, whether it is I want to learn trading, whether it is find me the best entry, whether it is give me trade, anything you want to ask, anything, or whether it is some doubts, whatever it is, you can come on this live stream and you can take advantage of it. Okay, this live stream is for this, for helping all of you people, being a guide at your crypto journey, so that you, wherever you need a help, doubt, solve it at this one live stream. Okay, There are live stream. I come live by 9 to 2 right now. Okay, there is a new live stream timing. Welcome Lu 66 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of the live. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Lu 66. Okay, now this live stream is regarding that whatever doubt you are having, whatever, even if you want to gain knowledge how to start trading, what kind of trading should I do, future trading, spot trading, give me trades, give me knowledge regarding this is the opportunity for you. But this is a push button opportunity. If you don't push the buttons of asking, if you don't take an action of asking your doubts, asking question, learning this, learning that, you will not be learning that knowledge if you don't ask. Okay, now a person is sitting over here for for making your crypto journey more better, more profitable. So for that situation you need to ask to improve your skills. If you're already earning profit, that is totally fine by me. I'm not forcing you for coming to this live stream or learning something. But if you lack the learning, if you lack the knowledge of trading, if you lack the skills of trading, then this is the best opportunity for you to come down and take an action on the comment section, ask question, ask doubts, and clear it. Got it? Cool. Now, fourth reward, sorry, last fifth reward. Last fifth reward is last fifth reward is the best. Because see, I get it, a lot of people having this common thing like, what should I trade in, which coin should I trade in? I don't know how to find the best coins. I don't know which coin is trending. Now this AI coin bot named Z, the AI's name, the bot name is Z. That Z is available in the Zbit right now. It's a new feature which we have added, in which whatever coin is trending in the last 1 hour will be over there, will be showing over there, and you can take advantage of it by looking at those trendy coins. Like this is the trendy coin which I am looking at, and then you can take the trade in those trendy coin and earn good amount of profit. Recently, my two profits which I have taken, see, in 5 days, two trades I have taken. You can see that it's a challenge going on. I've turning 10 USDT into 1000. I have taken two trades in this 5 days because 3 days I didn't got a trade. Okay, so in this 3 days, sorry, 5 days, two trades, and recent the last trade gave me 66.67% of profit. Okay, now in this AI Conbot, I took the trade in the coin which AI Conbot suggested me. AI Conbot at that point suggested that Resolve VUSDT and SPK USDT is the one which is trending right now. I invested my money in Resolve VUSDT and it is actually helping me to earn a good amount of profit. Or maybe today I will again trade in the same Resolve VUSDT, or we can find something other as well. I'm not like in that situation because see, putting that investment, like I put like in the starting I invested 10, it became 16, then that 16 became 25 right now. Okay, now so if I invest that same amount of investment in Ethereum, it is not going to give me that huge amount of profit, because I know for the fact, and you should also know this fact, that Ethereum, BTC, Solana are those coins which is having a high value already. Your small investment is not going to buy a huge amount of quantity. If you don't buy a huge amount of quantity, you're not going to have a huge amount of profit. Simple. So try to focus on those coins in which you can actually gain a huge amount of quantity. You can hold a huge amount of quantity so that you can gain a huge amount of profit from it. In crypto market, the whole game is of the quantity. More the quantity, more the profit. Less quantity, less profit. Simple. Okay, so this AI con bot, which is recently added feature, I will show you in the app. Okay, 1 second. Where is it? Why it is not showing right now? Where are you? Let me reload it. It was here only. Where it went? Now that bot is not there, but you can see that this is the best futures. Now this is the coin which that bot suggested. Rather than having a bot over there, now it's just best feature last 1 hour. As you can see, last 1 hour it shows that AI convert shows last 1 hour best coins for trading, and it will also give you the options as well, like what you need to do: sell, sell, sell. He's asking you to sell this coin so that you can earn a good amount of profit with it. Okay, it is not showing right now, but that is fine. But it is not having the name of AI convert as Z over here. But in that I showed you that best futures. In that there are 2 to 3 options for the coins which you need to trade in the future. Okay, those are the coins which you will take help of in taking a trade. And today as well, I will try to take a trade in Resolve only. I've started loving Resolve a lot. Okay. Let me log in and then we will discuss what happened in the last trade, and then we'll try to take the new trade. Before that, I was explaining you one concept, right? Let me log in first. But welcome user 607699. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming to this live stream. If you are having any doubt, anything, please feel free to contact in the comment section. Got it? कुछ कर देखो भारत की बड़ी। अरे यार, hello, user 281396. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I am logging into my account. Then we'll discuss what happened yesterday, and then we'll try to take the trade, new trade. 419351. Forever and ever and ever and ever. Ramesha Ghosh, thank you. Handsome man, I open this live to see you. Thanks. Appreciate it. What are we doing? I forgot. I opened my account. Let it keep it over here. And let's see what we got. Okay. So I trade in Resolve. Before that, I want to help you to understand how to differentiate between who are there and who is not. Okay, Resolve. This is the Resolve. 1 minute. No, 4 minutes. See, this was a trade which we took. This was that trade which we took. Can you see such a big, huge movement we got in the market? 1 second, let me show you. Okay. This was a trade we took the last time, and in which the market was falling. Then I told you, whenever the market is falling, do not enter at that moment. Market will give you a chance to enter with a small retracement. Now this candle going above this side was my indication of a small investment, and from there I entered, and almost we earned like 11 or 13 or something dollar of profit. And from there, can you see again, after a little while market consolidated for a little while, and then again it fall a huge amount till here. We should have captured this movement here. We should have captured this fall. If we would have captured this fall, my balance would have been like almost 30, 40, 50 right now. Like till that too, obviously. Why there are so many indicators? I don't like indicators. Keep keep your chart as much as clean as possible. Okay, so this was the trade which we took like last time whenever I was in the market, which gave me 66.67% of the profit. I am climbing from here. This is the profit which I got, and this is, see, my 10 has already became 23, so double, so I've already made it. Now we have to make this 20 into 50 into 60, 70, and try to get it into 1000. Okay, we have to try to get it into 1000, and with this thing, like I am having profit with the same thing, I can help you achieve profit as well. So be a part of this challenge with me, and deposit 10 challenge with me. Whenever I give the trade, take a trade. Whenever I give you the like whatever it is. Welcome user 41. Welcome user 281396. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. So with me, make sure that you are understanding this market with me and taking trade with in the crypto market. I will show you that thing in this. Okay, first, what you need to do is, first, you need to understand something about candle. Like, let's start from the basic. This is the candle body. This is how candle looks like. Okay, there are, okay, make it, yes, good drawing, please. There are two types of candles over here. Okay, one is a green candle, obviously the one where green is basically buyer's candle, and red is basically seller candle. Why we say green is buyer's candle? Because buyer won. See, every candle is like a tug of war. Every candle is a tug of war in which You are just playing like the buyers and seller, they are just like pulling the rope. Whoever wins, they will make the either, if buyer win, the candle is green, if the seller win, the candle is red. They are having a fight over there. Okay, it's a constant fight. Buyers and seller will always have a constant fight. Why we say green candle? Because see, green candle has opening here, close above, which means was, for example, open at 150, closed at 200, which means the price has gone up. Okay, from the opening price, whenever the price goes up, that means that XYZ candle is a green candle, a buyer candle, because buyer pushed the market above. Okay, now pushing market above is basically he created demand, he made a demand, he invested in that demand, and that investment will make the price go up. Whenever you invest something in the market, that means the price is gonna go up. Whenever you take the investment out of the market, that means the price is gonna fall down. Okay, it's like the same, like that crow thing, like he was dropping just the rocks in the in that pot, and the water was coming up. Same way, exactly the same way, if you keep dropping the money into the crypto market, the value is gonna go up. Same. Okay, now green candle means that the buyer has won. Okay, red candle, the only difference between green, see, everything will be same. This is highest point H and this is lowest point low L. L we call lowest point. Lowest point means like, see, there are time frames in the market. You can see this is time frame from 1 second to 1000 range. 1000 is too much. Okay, let's just consider from 1 minute to 1 year, you get a time frame. Okay, now what do you understand by time frame? Time frame means that, for example, if I'm looking at right now, I'm at right now point, I'm checking out 1 hour of chart frame. Okay, that means that one candle is forming in 1 hour. A one candle will stop and will make the next candle by 1 hour. Okay, one by 1 p.m. one candle will start being formed, and by the second it will stop. 1 hour completed. Wherever the market was at that 1 hour, it will stop there, and the new candle will start. Okay, the market is going on. The market is going on only. It is not stopping. Market is going on, the candle will stop, it will register that in that 1 hour this was the price, last price of this 1 hour, and the next new candle will start forming. Okay, that is a time frame. In this, H and L are just very thin line. Why they are thin line, why are they respected, and every of those things, let's discuss that. H means that, in, for example, like I said, I am watching 1 hour time frame. Okay, in that 1 hour of time frame, obviously it won't be like market will open at specific point and it will close at specific point. No, in that 1 hour, maybe suddenly there are thousands of buyers inside, suddenly there are thousands of sellers inside. So in that 1 hour, the highest point the market reached is called H. That buyer pushed the market till this point, the highest, and from there again it dropped down by the sellers. Same goes for the L. L means the lowest point a market reached in that 1 hour, the lowest price. Like sellers dropped it, sellers started like suddenly 10 to 20 to 1000 sellers came inside the market. They dropped, they dropped, they dropped, they dropped, they dropped the market. Okay, now from there, now 10 like 1000 buyers came. Now from that lowest point, market went up. Okay, so that L becomes what? That L becomes that lowest point a market reached. That this was the seller's last attempt of making the market go down, and H was the buyer's last attempt of pushing the market up. And once the 1 hour is closed, whatever price is going on at that point in the last 1 hour, like for example, can you see right now for 1 hour to end, it is 27 minutes left. In that 27 minute, wherever the price is, it will stop, and the at the same price new candle will start. It will be open price of that new candle. Okay, so this is an understanding of a candle: opening, closing, highest point, lowest point. Okay, the basics, the most basic thing. After this,
The most basic thing. After this, red candle, exactly same. H and L will be exactly at the same place. There is no changes for H and L. Just the body will be changing, and that to the